Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shiga's Lifestyle. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make Mumbai idli with very simple ingredients. So this will be a perfect dinner recipe and your kids will be enjoy eating this recipe. So come on, let's get started. For this recipe I have been chopped a big size onion, a medium size tomato with 2 beans, 2 green chilies and 1 carrot. Mix it well with a fork. To a pan, add 1 cup of water and let it boil completely. Once water heated, add 1 packet of noodles and let it be cooked for 3 minutes. To another pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once oil heated, add our chopped veggies and let it be cooked for 2 minutes. Next, add required salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder and 1 packet of noodles masala. Mix these masalas with the veggies and stir it well. Once everything being done, add our boiled noodles with our veggie masala. To a tawa, grease well and split our Maggi separately. Now add 1 spoon of idli or dosa batter to each Maggi and let the idli cook for 2 minutes. At last, sprinkle some coriander leaf with it. Now turn it to the another side and cook well. Now everything is been ready, so I have been served it with a tomato sauce and it really tastes very good. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me, and it really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.